Assalamu alaikum, welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share history of the subcontinent Pakistan affairs MCQs. These MCQs are taken from General Knowledge book by Jahangir Success Series by Adil Niaz. These MCQs are most important for all the aspirants who are going to appear in any test. Question number 1. The main characteristics of Indus Valley civilization is A. Drainage system. Question number 2. The main occupation of the people of Indus Valley was B. Agriculture. Question number 3. Which one of the following archaeologists initially discovered the Mohenjo-daro site of the Indus Valley civilization? And the right option is B. Rakhal Das Banerjee. Question number 4. Which one of the following elements of Hinduism were practiced in Indus Valley civilization? And the right option is C. Cult of Shiva. Question number 5. The Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization was discovered in B. Mohenjo-daro. Question number 6. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of the religion practiced by Harappan people? And the right option is A. Nature of worship. Question number 7. Which of the following metals was not known to Indus Valley people? And the right option is C. Iron. Question number 8. Nomad men started settling in B. Neolithic age. Question number 9. The earliest evidence of silver in India is found in the Harappan culture. Question number 10. The period when men used both stones and copper tools is known as the D. Metal Age. Question number 11. The Indus Valley civilization is known as pre-Aryan civilization because of the evidences of D. Script. Question number 12. Men passed from the food gathering stage to the food producing stage in the A. Neolithic age. Question number 13. The greatest invention of man in the Paleolithic age was C. Fire. Question number 14. The script of the Indus Valley civilization was Dravidian. B. Question number 15. The Indus Valley people knew the use of A. Gold, silver, copper, bronze, but not iron. Question number 16. Knowledge about the existence of which of the following animals is doubtful in the Indus Valley civilization? And right option is B. Cat. Question number 17. Paleolithic remains have been discovered in Bellary. Question number 18. Which of the following Harappan sites had a dock? And right option is Lothal. Question number 19. Which of the following presents the most significant feature of Indus Valley civilization? And the right option is burnt brick buildings. Kindly comment in the comment box if you find any mistake in the answers of the questions. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy and also share it with your friends. Number 20. Which of the following statements regarding the Indus Valley civilization is incorrect? And the right option is B. Excavation at Lothal proved that the civilization was confined to Harappan and Mohenjo-daro only. Question number 21. The remains of wooden drain of the Indus civilization have been found at Lothal. Question number 22. Rice cultivation is associated with the Harappan site of Lothal. Question number 23. Which of the following is incorrect concerning Mohenjo-daro? And right option is A. There was no drainage system. Question number 24. The Indus Valley people had trade relations with Mesopotamia. Question number 25. The Indus Valley houses were built of bricks. B. Question number 26. Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan culture because B. The most important evidence of the achievement of the civilization have been excavated from Harappa. Question number 27. The Indus Valley civilization flourished during 2500 to 1000 BC. Question number 28. Which of the following animals were domesticated by the Harappans? And right option is B. Buffaloes, sheep, dog, pig. Question number 29. The Indus Valley people worshipped Mother Goddess. Question number 30. The tools and weapons of Harappan civilization were mostly made of copper and bronze. Question number 31. The main channels of our knowledge about the Indus Valley civilization are archaeological excavation. Question number 32. The famous figure of dancing girl found in excavation of Harappa was made up of bronze. Question number 33. The great granary of the Indus Valley civilization has been discovered at C. Mohenjo-daro. Question number 34. Which are the following statements regarding the Indus Valley civilization is not true? A. The Indus Valley people were not acquainted with the art of spinning and weaving. Question number 35. The Stone Age people had the first domestic B. Dogs. Question number 36. Which of the following animals was known to ancient Vedic people? C. Lion. Question number 37. The Aryans at first settled in Punjab. Question number 38. Which of the following craftsmanship was not practiced by the Aryans? Black. Question number 39. Brahmans are books that deal with ritualism. Question number 40. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1922 by Sir John Marshall. Question number 41. The spread of Harappan civilization is conterminous with the wheat producing zone. 42. Traces of which of the following has not been found in the Indus Valley civilization? Sugarcane. Question number 43. The Lothal civilization was known for drainage system. Question number 44. Mohenjo-daro is also known as Mound of the Dead. Question number 45. When I first saw them, I found it difficult to believe that they were prehistoric. They seemed so completely to upset all established ideas about early art. This was an observation of Sir John Marshall on objects found at Mohenjo-daro. Question number 46. The Indus Valley civilization was spread over Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Balochistan. Question number 47. Indications of pre-Harappan civilization have come from the archaeological excavation at Lothal. Question number 48. The source of blue gemstone lapis for the people of Harappan culture was Afghanistan. Question number 49. Which of the following statements regarding the characteristics of feature of the Indus Valley people true? Their worship of images was familiar to people. Question number 50. Who among the following popularized the theory of Arctic region as the original home of Aryans? And the right option is B.G. Tilak. Question number 51. Which color was commonly used in Harappan poetry? And the right option is red. During the Neolithic age in India, the only metal known to the people was gold. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy for more videos and test preparation. Also share it with your friends. Thank you and follow us on Facebook and TikTok.